My name is Reagan. I used to study in mechanical engineering background. What I did before was I used to work at a production house, so that didn't turn out well because of the distance and the time scheduling. It wasn't what I really liked. So what got me into coding was actually a friend of mine. I think it's pretty common from everyone. It's a friend of theirs. They introduced their job. What they did, how much they earn, and all that. So he was what pushed me into it. But what got me interested was actually there was a subject in one of our diploma courses called programming in C++. So that was my first taste on programming, and that was my first introduction. But my friend sort of like pushed me into this is like a thing. So I decided to try out. I decided to self-learn through all the online resources for about six months. So my end goal on learning to code is to actually build. It's more of a selfish goal. It's more of to like build more unique apps, more unique websites all on my own. Because I'm always quite fascinated on just building things on my own, making my imagination into real life, and also ultimately to get a job on this. So if I manage to do something that I like and interested as my job, I think that's all we can ask for. I think self-discipline is definitely the top because aside from all the homework that we've been given, all that, I think it's very important that you know where you are at when you are learning, so you will know how much you needed to catch up on certain things. So once you know how much you need to catch up, it will come gradually that you know how much time you need to put after the classes. So it's like, if you couldn't understand what the tutor was speaking, you have to make up for it after classes. And if you're really desperate, then you will find a way. You will know how much time you needed. So I joined Sigma School was the part where they said make back your the money back guaranteed. That was what intrigued me, honestly, because when I check out the website, it kind of like is exactly what I was looking for, because doing it by your own, it was not easy at all. So I needed some sort of like a road. I need some sort of like someone to tell me like, yeah, just go for this road and you'll be fine already. So I just needed that, because in the world of IT, which I'm very new at, I could be surrounded with all sorts of information and all that, bombarded with all the new info. Take this road, take that road. So I just needed that one, follow that one, be stubborn at it, and just go through it. Experience was great, definitely. I'm actually quite surprised of how much communication was going on in between the students and the tutor and all that. It sort of felt like a great learning environment for me. I'm also very thankful for my tutor MJ and my classmates as well. I think I'm very fortunate. This batch is quite communicative per se. So if we got any questions or what, we ask each other. We like ask in WhatsApp or Discord. Definitely also to get a job first, and also part of my main goal was also to sort of like pay back to my parents, my siblings, so that for whatever they pay for me. That's my first intention. Get a job, and then we'll see how it goes. I would like to thank everyone from it, but especially for MJ. MJ, he definitely helped me after the class hours. But I try not to pester him too much, because I also want to solve my own problem, because that's what I believe you will face in real life. Most of the questions that you'll be thrown at, you'll be tasked to solve the problem by yourself. And if you really don't know, then only you can ask your senior. So yeah, I would like to thank MJ for this.